In this video, you will learn how to force install your Arreya channel as a progressive web app, PWA, by device policy. A progressive web app is a type of application delivered through the web. Progressive web apps, such as Arreya, are intended to work on any platform or device with an internet connection, including desktops, mobile devices, digital signage, and more. Each Arreya channel can be deployed as a progressive web app, PWA, and has settings to customize the look and feel of your PWA. Force installing your Arreya channel by device policy allows you to have the Arreya app pre-installed on devices when they are set up, rather than having to set up the app on each device individually. This is a great tool for school districts and businesses who are looking to use their Arreya channel as a tool for communication. To force install your Arreya channel PWA by device policy, first log into your Google Admin Console. Once in the Google Admin Console, navigate to Devices and then click on Chrome. On the Chrome menu, click Apps and Extensions, and then click Users and Browsers. Choose the OU on the left side of the screen that you wish to configure. Only Chrome users in this OU will have the settings applied. Hover your mouse over the yellow plus button in the bottom right corner of your screen, and then click on the web icon to open the Add by URL option. Enter the email address of your Arreya channel into the URL field. You will be prompted to have the PWA open in a new browser tab or in a separate window. When finished, click Save to add the PWA. After the PWA is added, it will appear in the app listing. The progressive web app will then force install by default. Finally, you have the option to pin it to the user's taskbars. Your Arreya channel PWA should now be force installed. If you are experiencing issues with force installing your Arreya channel as a PWA, be sure to visit our knowledge base or give us a call to talk with one of our digital signage experts.